Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing really good. So in last class we were discussing about material variance. What is material variance? I told you material variance means in this material variance we will compare the standard cost of material with actual cost of material. And if there is any difference, any variance, then management will try to find out the region of variance and management will try to control the material cost. We have done some illustrations also. And in last class, I have given you one homework in illustration. Let us see what is the solution. So, all who have done the illustration homework, please check your answer. Chaliye. So, let's start with the illustration. This is the illustration which I have given you in the last class. Let us see what it is saying. Standard mix to produce 10 unit of product is as follows. Standard mix to produce 10 unit of product is as follows. Bachcho, the standard is given to you on 10 units of finished product. To produce 10 unit of finished product, you require three types of material. That is X, material Y, and material Z. To manufacture 10 unit of finished product, you require three types of material: material X, material Y, and material Z. Material X is required 100 units, material Y is required 200 units, and material Z is required 300 units. So, to manufacture 100 unit of product, to manufacture, sorry, 10 unit of a finished product, to manufacture 10 unit of a finished product, material X is consumed 100 unit, material Y is consumed 200 unit, material Z is consumed 300 unit. Standard price of material X is rupees 30 per unit. Standard price of material Y is rupees 20 per unit. Standard price of material Z is rupees 10 per unit. During the month of April, 10 units were actually produced and consumption was as follows. During the month of April, 10 units were actually produced and the consumption was as follows. Okay, 1000 units were produced in the April. It means 1000 units of finished product. 1000 units of finished product was produced in the month of April. Consumption was material X 10,000 unit, material Y 18,000 unit, material Z 32,000 units. So in the month of April, 1,000 units were actually produced and consumed. In the month of April, 1,000 units were actually produced and consumed. In this, three types of material were used: material X 10,000, material Y 18,000 unit, and material Z 32,000 unit. Material X actual price is 28 per unit. Material Y actual price is rupees 20 per unit. Material Z actual price is rupees 12 per unit. You have to calculate all the variances. All variances means all the five variances: material cost variance, material price variance, material usage variance, material mix variance, and material yield variance. You have to calculate all the five variances. Okay. चलिए. So, बच्चों, now you all know we have done many illustrations. First of all, we are going to write material. Material. Then standard for 1000 units. Why standard for 1000 unit? But the standard we have taken on 1000 unit because actual is also given on 1000 unit. We will take the standard at the level of actual so that we can compare standard and actual both. Comparison can be done when actual and standard both are at the same level. Okay. So standard for 1000 unit and actual for 1000 units. Now here we are going to write quantity, rate, amount. Here we are going to write revised standard quantity. In this column, we are going to write revised standard quantity. Then quantity, oh sorry, quantity, rate, amount. X, material X, material Y, material Z, total. Now, actual quantity of X, actual quantity of material X, 10,000 units. Ten thousand units. Actual quantity of Y. Actual quantity of Y is 18,000 units. Actual quantity of Z, 32,000 units. Rate of X is 28. Actual rate of material Y is 20. Actual rate of material Z is 12. Now let us do the calculation. 10,000 into 28, 28,000, 2,80,000, sorry, 2,80,000, then 18,000 into 20, 3,60,000, then 32,000 into 12, 3,84,000. Now 2,80,000 plus 3,60,000 plus 3,84,000. So 10,24,000. Total is 10,24,000. Total actual cost is 10,24,000. Total quantity, total actual quantity of material 10,000 plus 18,000 plus 32,000, that is 60,000. Now, standard quantity. It is saying to produce 10 unit of finished product, we require 100 unit of material X. To produce 10 unit of finished product, we require 100 unit of material X. It means 10 unit of X is required. 10 unit of X is required for one finished product. Then how many unit of X will be requiring for 1,000 unit of actual finished product? Let us see. 100 divided by 10 into 100 divided by 10 into 1,000. So answer will be, थोड़ा ध्यान से करना है ना what then 200 for 10. Okay, 200 unit of X, Y. So answer will be 200 divided by 10 into 1,000. 20,000. And material Z 300 units. So 300 divided by 10 into 1,000. 30,000. Now standard rate of X is 30. Standard rate of Y is 20. Standard rate of Z is 10. Now 10,000 to 30, 3 lakh. 20,000 to 24 lakh. 30,000 to 10, 3 lakh. Now 3 lakh plus 4 lakh, 7 lakh plus 3 lakh, 10 lakh. Quantity is 30,000 plus 20,000, 50,000 plus 10,000, 60,000. Now revised standard quantity, I told you how you are going to calculate revised standard quantity. Total actual cost will be distributed on the basis of standard material. Total actual material will be distributed in the ratio of standard material. So total actual material is 60,000. Now ratio of standard material is 1 is to 2 is to 3. 1 is to 2 is to 3. So divided by 6 into 1. 60,000, 10,000. Then 60,000 divided by 6 into 2 into 2. 20,000. Then 60,000 divided by 6 into 3. 30,000. So, bachcho, now our table is complete. Now we have completed the table. Now we are going to solve what is material cost variance, price variance, usage variance, mix variance, and yield variance. So, bachcho, I already told you that the most important thing in this illustration and in the illustrations of material variance is to make this table. Now, if your table is correct, you know how to make a table, then you can easily calculate material cost, price, usage, mix, and yield variance. You just have to copy these figures in the formula. So the most important thing is this table. Chaliye. Material cost variance. What is the formula of material cost variance? The formula of material cost variance is standard price into standard price into standard quantity actual price into actual quantity, or you can say standard cost minus actual cost. Standard cost minus actual cost. So material cost variance, we have already calculated the standard cost. Standard cost is 10 lakh. Standard cost is 10 lakh. Actual cost is 10 lakh 24,000. Material cost variance will be 10 lakh minus 10 lakh 24,000. 24,000 adverse. Material cost is 24,000 adverse. Now, material price variance. Formula of material price variance is actual price. Actual price into actual quantity. Standard price. Standard price into actual quantity. Actual price into actual quantity. Material material X. Standard price of material X. Standard price of material X is 30. Standard price of material X is 30 into actual quantity of X. Actual quantity of X is 10,000. Actual price of X. Actual price of X is 28 into actual quantity is 10,000. 30,000 into 30 into 10,000, 3 lakh. 10,000 to 28, 2 lakh 80,000. So your answer will be 20,000 favorable. Answer is 20,000 favorable. Okay. Now, material Y. Standard price of material Y. Standard price of material Y is 20. Actual quantity of Y. Actual quantity of Y is 18,000. Now actual price of Y. Actual price of Y is 20. Actual quantity 18,000. 20 into 18,000. 3 lakh 60,000 minus 3 lakh 60,000. Nil. Material Z. Standard price of material Z 10. Actual quantity of Z. Actual quantity of Z is 32,000. Actual price of Z 12. Actual quantity 32,000. 10 into 32, 3 lakh 20,000. 32,000 into 12, 3 lakh 84,000. Now 3 lakh 84,000 minus 32,000. For 3 lakh 20,000 minus 3 lakh 84,000. 64,000 adverse. 64,000 adverse. 64,000 plus 20,000 is 84,000. 84,000 adverse. So material price variance is 84,000 adverse. Material usage variance. Formula of material usage variance is standard quantity into standard price minus actual quantity into standard price. Material X. Standard quantity of X. Standard quantity of X is 10,000. Standard quantity of X is 10,000. Into standard price of X. Standard price of X is 30. Actual quantity of X. Actual quantity of X is 10,000. Into standard price is 30. 3 lakh minus 3 lakh equals to nil. Material Y. Standard quantity of Y. Standard quantity of Y is 20,000. Into standard price of Y. Standard price of Y is 20. Then actual quantity of Y. Actual quantity of Y is 18,000. Standard price of Y 20. 20,000 to 20. 4 lakh. 18,000 into 20. 3 lakh 60,000. Answer will be 40,000 favorable. Answer will be 40,000 favorable. Material Z. Standard quantity of Z 30,000. Into standard price of Z. Standard price of Z is 10. Actual quantity of Z. Actual quantity of Z is 32,000. Into standard price of Z is 10. 3 lakh minus 3 lakh 20,000. 20,000 adverse. Material usage variance. 40,000 favorable minus 20,000 adverse. The answer will be 20,000 favorable. The answer will be 20,000 favorable. Got my point, everyone? Chaliye, let's move ahead then. Material mix variance. Material mix variance. बच्चों, material mix variance, we have done one illustration of material mix variance. Do you remember the formula of material mix variance? That is revised standard quantity into standard price. Revised standard quantity into standard price minus actual quantity into standard price. Revised standard quantity into standard price minus actual quantity into standard price. चलिए, material X, revised standard quantity. Revised standard quantity of X 10,000. Standard price of 10. Standard price of X 30. Actual quantity of X is 10,000. Standard price is 30. 3 lakh, 3 lakh. Nil. Material Y. Revised standard quantity of Y is 20,000. Standard price of Y, standard price of Y is 20. Actual quantity of Y is 18,000 into standard price 20. 20,000 into 20, 4 lakh. 18,000 into 20, 3 lakh 60,000. 40,000 favorable. 4 lakh minus 360, 40,000 favorable. Now material Z. Revised standard quantity of Z 30,000. Standard price of Z is 10. Actual quantity of Z is 32,000 into standard price is 10. 30,000 to 10, 3 lakh. 32,000 to 10, 3 lakh 20,000. So your answer will be 20,000 adverse. Material mix variance. 40,000 favorable minus 20,000 adverse. 20,000 favorable. Okay. Now last we are going to calculate material yield variance. What is the formula? I told you what is the formula of material yield variance. Formula of material yield variance. That is standard quantity into standard price minus revised standard quantity into standard price. Revised standard quantity into standard price. Material yield variance. Standard quantity of material Y, material X. Standard quantity of X. Standard quantity of X is 30,000. Standard price of X is 10. Revised standard quantity of X is 30,000. Sorry, 10,000. This is also 10,000. 10,000 into standard price 10. 1 lakh minus nil. Material Y. Standard quantity of Y 20,000. Standard price of Y 20. Revised standard quantity of Y 20,000 into standard price 20. Four lakh minus 4 lakh. Answer is nil. Material Z. Standard quantity of Z 30,000 into standard price of Z 10. Divide standard quantity of Z 30,000 into standard price 10. 3 lakh minus 3 lakh. Answer is nil. So material yield variance is nil. So bachcho, this is how we are going to calculate material price variance, material usage variance, material mix variance, and material yield variance. So your topic material variance is complete now. We have done many illustrations and I hope you all have cleared now how to calculate material mix variance. I hope now you all know how to calculate material mix variance. So the topic is clear. I hope you all now know how to calculate material variances. Chalo. Now bachcho, we are going to start a new topic, that is labor variance. I am sharing the PPT with you. Let's start with the new topic, labor variance. Labor variance. Labor variance. In labor variance, we are going to calculate 6 type of variances: labor cost variance, labor rate variance, labor efficiency variance, labor mix variance, labor yield variance, and idle time variance. We are going to calculate all the 6 type of variances. Chaliye, let us talk about what is standard R, actual R, standard rate, actual rate. What is standard R? What is actual R? What is standard rate and what is actual rate? Chaliye, I am going to explain you this with one example. बच्चों in this topic, standard R will be denoted as SH. Standard R means the hours which is set to complete one job. The hours which is set to complete one job is known as standard R. Actual R means the hour which we actually taken, the hour which the employees are actually consumed to complete that one job. Standard R is the hours that are set to complete one job. Actual R is the hour that is taken by the employees to complete that one job. Standard rate SR, actual rate AR. Standard rate is the rate by which we should pay the labor. Actual R is the rate by which we actually paid the labor. Got my point? Go ahead then. Labor cost variance. Amount paid to employee for their labor is generally known as labor cost. Whatever employee to pay, whatever amount to pay to employee for their work is known as labor cost. Whatever amount you are paying to employee for their work is known as labor cost. In this chapter, labor cost is used to denote employee's cost. Labor cost variance is the difference between actual labor cost and standard cost. Labor cost variance is the difference between actual labor cost and standard cost. Labor cost variance equals to standard R into actual rate minus actual R into actual rate. labor cost variance. Standard R into standard rate is known as standard cost, and actual R into actual rate is known as actual cost. But do you remember material variance? Material cost variance, the formula is standard quantity into standard rate. Here in labor, in place of standard quantity, we are taking standard R into standard rate. Then actual quantity into actual rate. In place of quantity in labor cost variance, we are taking actual R into actual rate. So standard cost minus actual cost is known as labor cost variance. Let's understand this one example. For job, your uh, your job is for 10 hours. Your job is for 10 hours, and you get 1000, and you get rupees 1000 per day, and you get rupees 1000 per day. If you work for only 8 hours per day, it means 2 hours are idle hours. 2 hours are idle hours. Actual hour work 8 hour, actual hour paid 10 hour. But so your job is for 10 hour, and you are getting paid 1000 per day. But you are working for only 8 hours per day. It means 2 hours are idle, 2 hours are waste. So you actually work for 8 hours, and you are actually paid for 10 hours. The company is paying you for 10 hours, but you are working for only 8 hours. So actual hour work is 8 hours, but actual hour paid is only 10 hours. Labor rate variance. Labor rate variance arises due to difference in actual rate paid from standard rate. It is very similar to material price variance. Labor rate variance, material price variance, one and the same thing. Labor rate, first of material price variance. In material price variance, the formula is standard price into actual quantity minus actual price into actual quantity. Here, standard rate into actual R minus actual rate into actual R. The labor efficiency variance. Labor efficiency variance arises due to deviation in the working hour from the standard working hour. Labor efficiency variance is similar to material usage variance. The formula of material usage variance was, what is the formula of material usage variance? Standard quantity into standard rate. Here standard quantity की जगह standard R into standard rate minus in material usage variance actual quantity into standard rate. Here actual quantity की जगह actual R into standard rate. So बच्चों, first of all we are going to discuss these three: labor cost variance, labor rate variance, and labor efficiency variance. Now, suppose standard hours for a job is, standard hour for a job is 10 hours at the rate 20 per hour. But it is saying that suppose standard hour set for a job is 10 hour at the 20 per hour. It means to complete one job, you should complete the job in 10 hour, and it is paid at the rate rupees 20 per hour. Okay. In reality, it takes 9 hours to complete a job at the rate at the rate 18 per. In reality, it takes 9 hours to complete a job at the rate 18 per hour. चलिए, first of all, let us calculate labor cost variance. Labor cost variance. The formula is labor cost variance. Formula is standard R into standard rate minus actual R into actual rate. Standard R is 10 into standard rate is 20. Actual R is 9 into actual rate is 18. 20 into 10, 200. 18 into 9, 162. Now, 38 favorable. Labor cost variance is 38 favorable. Now, labor price variance. Formula of labor price variance is standard rate into actual R. Actual rate into actual R. Standard rate. Standard rate is 18. Sorry, standard rate is 20 into actual R is 9. Actual rate is 18 into actual R is 9. 20 into 9, 180. 18 into 9, 162. Now, 18 favorable. Answer is 18 favorable. Now, labor efficiency variance. The formula of labor efficiency variance is standard R into standard rate. Standard R into actual rate. Actual R. Actual R into standard rate. Labor efficiency variance. Standard R is 20 into standard rate. Standard R is 10 into standard rate is 20. Actual R is 9 into standard rate is 20. $200 per 80. Answer will be 20 favorable. Now you can check labor efficiency 20 favorable plus labor price variance 18, labor efficiency variance 20, labor price variance 18, 38, labor cost variance 38 favorable. So bachcho, this is how we are going to calculate labor cost variance, labor price variance and labor efficiency variance. I hope you all have understood how we are going to calculate labor cost, labor price and labor efficiency variance. Formula also we all know. The formula is very similar to material variances. The formula of labor variances are similar to material variances. So in next class we are going to solve some more illustrations. and we are going to complete this topic, labor variance. Thank you all for joining. Please take care, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.